Hello everyone, my name is Gus Warren of UFOsightsdaily.com, and what I have for you today is a supernova. This is a supernova photograph at the NASA website. I'll give you the URL to it a little bit later, but what I want to show you is that NASA has photoshopped it. They have altered it, and they do alter a lot of things. This is just one of many. Okay, here's a supernova. Let me auto adjust, which adds a lot of light. You can see some unusual lines here. What's that about? But when you push exposure, which means added light, and you slowly adjust it, it's right up here. Slowly adjust it over, you can see that there is lines all the way around. They cut out this area of the supernova and superimposed it over another place with other stars. So you do see some stars and things in the background. However, they photoshopped it. They cheated you. They thought you were not smart enough to catch them. And they will continue doing this. They will not stop. This is the original picture. And if you make it bigger, you see that. But if I come up here, add, you can see a little bit of lines right up here. Okay, now I will enhance it and move this out of the way so you can really see. You can really see these lines right here. Look at that. Okay, this is really odd. Now, how can they get away with doing these Photoshop effects on so many important public photos that are supposed to be 100% original? They criticize other scientists who find life in Mars meteorites. Every Mars meteorite that comes up, they say, no, they're lying, no, they're lying, no, they're lying. They criticize other people for lying, but they've never looked in the mirror and say, hey, it's our fault, we're lying. Oh, actually, they are lying a lot. So this is an example of them getting caught. Let's go back to auto. This is what the photo looks like. It looks just like this. Let me go to actual size. Okay, here it is right here. And it's pretty unusual that they always are caught in lies. NASA's been caught in so many lies. I could probably list at least 20 to 30 photoshopped photos that they've done already that I've found. And other people have found even more probably. So if you're interested in catching NASA at cheating, check this supernova out and ask them, email them photos of it and the URL and ask them what they think of it. Why did they cheat? Why did they lie? Why did they believe the public would not catch them? I don't think they'll answer you, but for one thing I do know, they will not answer me. NASA has never, ever answered me, and they've been on Twitter, at least, they've never answered me. And I've tried a lot, as you've seen if you follow me on Twitter, SCW Books. Check this out. And if you want the URL, here's the URL again. It's right here. It is a JPL website, which you know is a legit website. But how can this go from that to this? All right, my name's Scott C. Warren of UFO Sightings Daily. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up on it. Okay, so give us a thumbs up and check us out at UFOsightsdaily.com. And if you really feel inquisitive about this mystery, go and find you probably want 4 or 5 emails, maybe 10 emails from different NASA websites, different NASA areas, and email these different NASA websites and areas and try to get a response. You're more likely to get it than I am. They see the word UFO or aliens and they freak out. They really do. So take it easy and see you at UFO Sightings Daily.